Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your power tailgate on your 2026 GMC Yukon XL. This tutorial is also applicable to the 2025 models. First of all, let's talk about how you open and close the power tailgate. There is a button here on the remote. There's also a button on the tailgate itself that is located above the license plate bracket. There's also a button on the interior. Now, one thing that's interesting, notice I'm standing here. You hear those beeps? I'm not touching anything. This is how the hands-free functionality works as of the 2025 model year. You just stand at the back of the Yukon and it will beep, then it'll open. You know what's going to happen. Now, one thing to note about that, if you walk past back here, if you're close enough, it will start to beep. Just keep moving and it won't open. But as long as you're moving fast enough and you keep moving, it won't be a problem. Now, there's one of the ways you can also close the power tailgate in addition to everything I told you about earlier that you can use to open it. In the event that you need to make any changes, let's say for one thing that your power tailgate is not opening to max capacity, make sure it's set to max. You have three different settings here. You have max, 3/4, and off. And you can push this button to open and close the tailgate back there. And if it's not opening at all, you can always open it manually. But if it's not opening at all, well, obviously you need to come here and check to make sure that that is set correctly. Now, there's a little more to know about here. We're going to go to Settings, Vehicle. We'll come down here to Comfort and Convenience. And I'm going to show you one more thing. Hands-free exterior storage access. Notice that it's set to off right now. That feature I showed you a little while ago where I stood back there and it sensed me and opened, make sure that's set to open only if you want that feature to work. And there you go. That's how you manage the power hands-free tailgate back here with the 2025 and 2026 GMC Yukon XL models. If there is a tutorial you would like to see me make for the GMC Yukon for these last couple of years, 25 and 26, tell me down in the comments section. I may already have it for you. If not, I'll make the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.